Hey everyone! Today we've got 3 hot stories from the world of AI. Meta is trying to build superintelligence, OpenAI wants to become the next great scientific instrument, and researchers in Florida built a processor that literally runs on light. Let's dive in.
First up, Meta. Yes, the same folks who brought us the legless avatars in the metaverse. Now they've launched a new research division called TBD Lab. That's right, to be determined. Basically, we don't know what we're doing yet, but hey, we already have the funding. Officially, their mission is to develop the next generation of foundation models, and rumors say they're eyeing superintelligence. You know, an AI that's smarter than us, but still freezes and says, "Please restart your system for the update to take effect." So, the future might be, instead of reading your thoughts for ads, Meta's AI will create them for you. And then you'll wonder, was that really my idea or just Zuckerberg whispering in my brain?
Now, OpenAI, they've announced a project called OpenAI for Science, which basically means we're taking a break from writing fan fiction in ChatGPT and trying something serious. The idea is to create tools that help scientists generate hypotheses, test formulas, discover new drugs, even design futuristic materials. In the future, instead of quoting Einstein, we'll be quoting GPT Science v7.3.2 security patch included. But here's the catch. Scientists like evidence, experiments, and peer review. AI, on the other hand, loves making stuff up and doing it very confidently. So the big question is, will OpenAI make science faster or just flood us with thousands of elegant but completely useless theories, like cats secretly control the universe?
And finally, the photon processor from the University of Florida. Yes, these researchers decided computers should run not on electrons, but on light. So in the future, your laptop will literally shine with intelligence. Here's how it works. Data gets turned into laser light, passes through tiny Fresnel lenses, then gets converted back. In tests, this processor could already recognize handwritten digits with 98% accuracy. Finally, a calculator that can tell the difference between an 8 and a 0. The big selling point? Energy efficiency. They say it could be 10 to 100 times more efficient than traditional chips. Sounds amazing, but right now it's just a prototype. And you know how this goes. First they promise a revolution, then 10 years later, the chip is gathering dust in a school lab next to the broken microscope.
So let's wrap it up. Meta wants superintelligence but hasn't even picked a name. OpenAI wants to speed up science, or at least make it weirder. And Florida researchers are building processors that think at the speed of light. The only question is, which of these ideas is the real future, and which is just hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more AI news, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time.